So hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise in Capcut. So what you need to do is we have a video which we found too noisy and we just want to reduce the background noise. So what we want to do is we want to click on the video, then go to audio, and here you just need to scroll down and you're gonna search for the reduce noise. And you just check in the reduce noise, and then basically the noise of the sound has been reduced. This, as you can see, only be used with the Pro version, which you can have the free trial of the Pro version by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, so all in all, this is how to reduce background noise in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.